Hello, my name is Kathleen, and I'm going to explain you a little bit about neologism. What is neologism? Neologism is a term used to describe a word that has been made up or invented by a speaker or writer. In simple words, neologisms are words created because of some products, some brands, or because of the technology. Some examples of neologism can be billionaire is a noun and means a rich person. Another, internet, is a person who refuses to use the internet. And keepers from keep and promise. By the way, some of the neologisms doesn't appear in the dictionary because are words invented by the speakers and writers. Type of neologism. There are two types of neologism, coined words and acronyms, where coined words are previously not existent words. As I said before, are words created by speakers or writers. An acronym. Acronyms is a word from the initial letters of two or more successive words. For example, NATO. What means NATO? Is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Nowadays, around 4,000 words enter English vocabulary every year, which reflects the fast development of the language and makes the phenomenon interesting to analyze, because the language is dynamic.